Your website is more than just a digital storefront. It is where your customers interact with your brand. But are you making the most of it? Studies show that 88% of the users won't return to a website after a bad experience, and 38% will stop engaging if the content or layout is unattractive. So, what's the best way to improve? Ask your users directly with website surveys. From pinpointing navigation issues to understanding what's working well, website surveys lets you connect with your users in real time, right where it matters the most. Hi, I'm Kanika, senior content writer at Zonga Feedback, where we empower businesses to become customer centric by leveraging feedback and integrating human insights with intelligent automation. And in this video, I'll show you how to create a website survey so that whether you want to collect feedback on a new feature, capture insights from exit intent, or improve your overall user experience, you can do it with ease. So let's get started. To get started with website surveys, you need to log into your Zonka Feedback account. Click on Add Survey option. You can either choose to create your survey using one of these three options or simply click on Website Feedback and select from the given range of templates. Select the distribution channel and click on Next. Give a survey name, description, and choose the workspace. Click on Add. This is how your website survey would look. You can customize the survey questions by clicking on Add Questions, change the look and feel, and even add a language based on your preference. Select your language and save it. Then just click on that language and let AI do its magic. Once you have made your customizations, you can share your website survey either from here by clicking on Next or go back to the home icon and select your survey from here. Here, under the Distribute tab, select Web. And if you want to add a widget to your website survey, click on Add Widget. You will have 6 options to choose from. First would be the feedback button, which will be placed on the left and the right side so it's easy for users to find it and share their experience and feedback. More suited for bug reporting, usability feedback, or just a general feedback collection. Next would be the pop up survey. It appears on the page in between a user's journey triggered by an event or time. Great to use as an exit intent surveys, cart abandonment surveys, and post transaction and post booking surveys. Next, you'll have a pop over that open in an overlay on a web page on a click of a button or link, which is perfect for in context feedback like feature feedback, CTAs, and more. Next, you'll have a bottom bar. These are the buttons that can be placed on the bottom right or left side of your web page that open the survey on click. Great for opt-in surveys and gathering voluntary feedback. Next would be a slide up. As the name suggests, they slide up from the bottom of the web page as an overlay, triggered by time or activity. These are ideal for e-commerce feedback and lead generation while maintaining browsing flow. Next, you will find the article feedback web widget that displays directly at the end or within the article, prompting readers to rate the content or provide feedback. It is perfect for gauging content quality, usefulness, and gathering suggestions for improvement. Based on your preference, select a web widget that you want in your website survey. You can also find the customizations for website survey appearance like survey size, welcome screen, auto close and submit, and much more. Next, you can leverage the targeting feature to display your survey on selected devices like desktop, tablet, mobile, or all three. Target pages like all pages or specific pages that have a particular word, URL, or regular expression. You can also target based on the percent of users who you want to show the survey. Let's understand this through an example. Say you have launched a new product and want feedback on its dedicated page without annoying all users. All you have to do is select your devices, choose on specific pages, paste the URL of the new product page, and set your target users to 30%. By doing so, only 30% of the user on the product page will see the pop-up survey, allowing you to gather feedback from a representative sample without disrupting the experience for others. You can also set up the behavior of your website survey based on when you want to launch your pop-up survey. If you want the pop up to appear as soon as the page loads, or if you want it after a delay of a few seconds, or if you want it to appear after visitors scroll certain percentage on the page, or when the visitor tries to exit the page, or if you want to set any particular trigger manually, you can do that as well. You can also set up the pop up display whether you want to show the survey until the user provides their feedback, or if you want it to appear only once or every time, even if the user has already responded. You can also include or exclude the segments whom you want to show or not show your web widget. Once all of this is done, click on Save. Your web widget would be added. You can go back to the Edit option and click on Install Code. Here, you can choose the type of code to install based on your audience. For public website surveys where visitors remain anonymous, select Install Code for Visitors. This is perfect for general feedback forms or bug reports. For website surveys where users are identified, choose Install Code for logged in users. This works great for collecting feedback on specific features or during the onboarding process. Now, simply copy the code and paste it on the body of your HTML page. Similarly, if you want to add survey link on your website, you can do it by selecting the home icon, your survey, and in the distribute tab, select links. Here you can see that the link will be generated. You can copy this link and paste it in the HTML code on your website. Similarly, if you want to embed survey seamlessly into your website, all you need to do is just click on configure option and here adjust the height, width, and if you want the welcome screen to show up, the logo, progress bar, and navigation. Once you're satisfied with the customizations, click on this get code option, copy the code, and paste it in your website wherever you want to show the survey. That's how you can create your website surveys and start gathering valuable feedback to enhance user experience and drive improvements. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. For any questions, reach out to us at hello@zonkafeedback.com.